How to take a screenshot on ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can take screenshot on ClipChamp. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Now, if you're willing to take the picture here within your video, just the part of it, then here on ClipChamp, if you look for the option, there is no any such option. You can see background color, turn on auto captions. On left hand side you can see various options. If you tap on the video at the right hand side, you'll get various options, but there is no any option to take a screenshot within the application. You can see on the timeline as well. Now the trick here is what you can do is you can use your Windows default screenshot application. To do so, all you got to do is press and hold the Windows Shift and S button at once, and a pop-up will appear. You can see, you can tap on it and you can select the image here, and then you can select the size here, whether you want rectangular or window. So let me just select rectangle here, and you can choose it from here, right? Drag it this way and the screenshot will be taken. As you can see, the screenshot is taken, and now I'll have it in my screenshots here. If I head over to my screenshots folder, you can see here. So this is how you can take screenshot on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.